Okay, so as I mentioned, ChatGPT had a huge upgrade a couple days ago, and whether or not you've heard about it, it's amazing, and I just wanted to share it with you really quick. Now, I did some things ahead of time so we could make this video quicker so you could get the point, so I can go over some of the main things. So what happened is ChatGPT has up to this point had DALL-E 3 as its image generator. And for me personally, I haven't used DALL-E 3 that much because it's okay. It's so-so compared to, of course, some other ones out there like Midjourney or Flux Pro is probably my favorite. So there's a lot of different other ones out there that have just really done a lot better job for me and what I needed to do. But a couple days ago, I don't know if I can say that anymore, because what has happened is now ChatGPT just upgraded their image generating model using 4.0 image generation, and it's amazing. So what I wanted to do is just do a brief demo of what kind of changes it is and what's going on. So I have this brief prompt, and what you would do is you would go down here, and if you go to View Tools, right here, you're going to see this updated. This is what it looks like. This is what you're going to see if you go into that little blue kind of notification. Typically, this is where DALL-E 3 was. It is completely gone. And so, very cool. So I just took this image prompt right here. Stacked retro audio gear overgrown with mushrooms of different sizes, colors, and textures, set in a mysterious void. Deep purples, ochres, mossy greens, subtle glowing elements, soft shadows in the style of European sci-fi illustration, intricate line work, and bold color contrast. Isometric layout, dynamic perspectives, overlaid at the top of the words in white, bolded, and this is key right here. Beauty is eternity gazing at itself in the mirror, Khalil Gibran. Image size should be 1200 by 1200 pixels. Please write in English language. Okay. One thing that immediately should stand out at you is I have asked it. I said overlay at the top with the words in white, and I just picked some random Khalil Gibran quote, which he's an amazing poet, by the way. And I essentially told ChatGPT, I basically was testing it to see how it would do with text overlay, because if you know in the past, if you try to do text overlay on images using any kind of generative AI tool, it was awful. It was kind of like alphabet soup. You get like these weird shapes and like half letters and that sort of thing. But today we're gonna reveal the brand new ChatGPT image generating. Okay. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that. Is that not amazing? This right here is a game changer. Again, what I would used to have to do is I would generate the text overlay was so bad. Number one, you wouldn't even try to do it. Or after a couple tries, you would just give up and get it out of the prompt. But I would take this image, let's say here's the image, by the way, the background, the image of the mushrooms and the radio. I would take this image and I'd go to Canva, and then I'd use Canva to take and put the text overlay over the image, right? And then I'd post it on social media or wherever I wanted to do that. Now it is, oh my gosh, I can't tell you the implications of this. It is amazing. Now, that's the first big thing, okay? Second thing is, again, if you know in Canva, like let's say you wanted to change this text to yellow and you wanted to make it bigger, the size bigger, or maybe you wanted to capitalize all the letters, right? Or maybe you wanted to take this image that you wanted to generate and you wanted to change something about the image. You'd have to go in all these tools and things like that and try to change everything and go back and forth, right? Until you got it how you wanted it. Well, guess what? ChatGPT can do that now all for you in the same conversation window. So I'll give you an example. Here's our main original generated text. text or email, right? Image. And let's say I want to change this top part, this top radio part. I want it to be red. I want it to be 3 colors here instead of the purple and yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and down here and I'm going to say, this is good, but can you change the top radio tier, I just called it a tier, to a brick red color? Okay, let's see what it does. And look what happened. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is amazing. Amazing, amazing. And that took like 2 seconds. I didn't have to go back and forth, go back into Canva and change things around, right? So very cool. Play with this around. Now, what I was thinking as I was just talking, and then I came down here and I'm trying to, oh, here it goes. Okay. Now, I just, again, one more iteration of this. Wow, amazing. So, but then I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I decided, oh, no, let's go ahead and change all the mushrooms so that they're yellow. And also go ahead and change the quote to every dog has its day and put that in bright yellow text. Okay, that's the next prompt. That's another thing why I want to change it. So here it is, thinking. Now I will tell you, it takes a little bit longer, and I'm not sure if there's just a ton of people on here right now trying to do the same testing that I'm doing, but it's really fun to see what it gets. But we'll see if we can get an image coming in here shortly. But what I'm thinking is, and these are some of the things that are going to be coming on my channel as I get more and more of these image quality images coming through. I do automations and workflows using Make, and I'm going to start teaching a lot of those to you guys. And one of the pieces in the workflow is to generate images using DALL-E. Like, that's all it's been, and the images have been like, mediocre at best, in my opinion. So I am super excited, and I will teach you guys how to do this, but I will teach you how to create a social media workflow automation so that it posts through Make, so that it posts everything essentially on autopilot. You probably have seen that out there before, but I have a little bit of a twist to mine, and I'll share that with you later. But this right here is a game changer if you use automations and workflows like either Make, Zapier, N8N, any of those to generate images. So that is the first big implication. So I'm going to have a YouTube video shortly on how to do that. So, and this image hasn't gone through yet, so we're just going to forget it. But anyways, just wanted to show you this example. Very, very cool. Original image. Quickly gave it a prompt to change it to red, and here it went. And then the text overlay, amazing. So if you want other cool tips and tricks, follow my channel, subscribe, hit the like button,